Welcome everyone. This is my first video, and in this video we are going to solve some important previous year questions. So let's begin. So here is our first question, 101. In an election of two candidates, the candidate who gets 41% is rejected by a majority of 2412 votes. The total number of votes polled are. So what is given in the question? Let us try to understand it first. So in an election, there were two candidates. First candidate got 41% vote, and first candidate is rejected by a majority of 2412 votes. That means first candidate lose the election. Then how many votes will second candidate get? So let us solve. First candidate got 41% vote. Then second candidate will get from 100 minus 41%. So 100 minus 41 will give us 59% vote. So second candidate got 59% vote. What is the total number of votes polled? We need to find what is the total number of votes polled in an election. So, and what is the hints given to us? 2412 vote is the vote difference between two candidates. Difference of their vote. 59 minus 41%. 59 minus 41 gives us 18% is the total vote difference between two candidates, and that 18% vote is 2412. Now we need to find what is the total number of votes polled. It is unknown to us. So let the total number of votes polled be X number. Now we need to find what is the total number of votes polled. So we can write 18% of total vote is how much? X. And that 18% of total vote is 2412. Now let us solve further. 18% of X gives us 2412. X equal to 2412 into 100 divided by 18. Now 18, how much the 2412? 18 ones are 18. 18, I think it will go with 134. Now X equal to 134 into 100 gives us 13400. 13,400 is the total votes polled. So this is the final answer. So here is our answer. 13,400 is the total votes polled in an election, right? So here is our second question. Two numbers respectively 30% and 40% less than a third number. What percent is second of the first? So we need to find percentage of second number in terms of first number. And what we need to understand is two numbers respectively 30% and 40% less than a third number. So there are three numbers, and what is given, hints is given to us. First number is 30% less than a third number, and second number is 40% less than a third number. So third number is unknown to us. So we can write, let the third number be 100, we can write. Then first number, what is given? First number, which is 30% less than the third number. First number is 100 minus 30%. So 100 minus 30% of third number is what? It will give us, first number is 30% of 100 will give us 30. So 100 minus 30 gives us 70. Second number, which is 40% less than a third number. So from 100 we have to subtract 40%, which gives us 60. Now we need to find percentage of second number in terms of first number. What is second number? 60. And what is first number? 70. Now we need to find percentage. How we will find percentage? Just by multiplying by 100%. 0, 0, cancel. 6 into 100 gives us 600 divided by 7. Now we need to find what? Mixed fraction. 7, how much is this one? 7, 8 ja 56, which gives us 4, then 0, 7, 5 ja 35. 5. Remainder is 5. So here it gives us 85. 5 by 7% is the final answer. So this is the final answer, 85. 5 by 7%. So here is our question number 3, 103. A shopkeeper marks the price of his goods 12% higher than its original price. After that, he allows a discount of 12%. What is the percentage of profit or loss? So what we need to find? Percentage of profit or loss. But it is unknown to us whether there is a profit or loss. In order to find whether there is profit or loss, we have to know what is cost price and selling price. And one thing we know, if SP is less than cost price, there is a what? Loss. Let's say there is a loss. Again we need to find loss percentage. What is the formula of loss percentage? Loss by CP into 100%. So at first we need to find what is selling price and what is cost price. Then we will find whether there is a loss or profit. So let us try to understand the question first. A shopkeeper marks the price of his goods 12% higher than its original price. After that, he allows a discount of again 12%. He put more discount. What is the percentage of profit or loss? So here, a shopkeeper marks the price of his goods 12% higher than its original price. Here, original price is not given to us. So what we can write? Let the original price of the item, let's say we can write 100. Now, a shopkeeper marks the price of his goods 12% higher than its original price. So, what will be the mark price? 100 plus 12% of what? Original price. 100, 100 cancel. 100 plus 12 will give us 112. So this is the mark price after increasing 12% in its original price. Again, after that, he allows a discount of 12%. After that, after making a new mark price, shopkeeper allows a discount of 12%. Now we need to subtract 12% discount, new mark price, from 112 minus what? 12%. We need to give discount 12% of what? Mark price 112. So this one we have to solve. 112 into 12 gives us 2 to the 4, 2 1 the 2, 2 1 the 2, 1 2 the 2, 1 1 the 1, 1 1 the 1, 4 4 3. So which gives us, so it will give us 112 minus 13.44. 1344 divided by 100 gives us 13.44. Now what will be the new price? We need to subtract 13.44 from 112. Which will give us 6, here 5, here 8, and here 9. So it gives us 98.56. 98.56 is the new mark price. Now what is the percentage of profit or loss? Now we need to know whether there is a profit or loss. So new mark price is 98.56 and the original price is rupees 100, which means we will sell the item in new mark price, that is 98.56. So obviously there is a loss. Selling price is 98.56. So there is a loss. How many rupees loss? That one at first we need to find. From 100 minus 98.56, which will give us 4, then 8, 1.44 rupees is the loss, total loss. Now we need to find again loss percentage. What is the formula of loss percentage? Loss by CP into 100%. Loss percentage gives us loss. What is the amount of loss? 1.44 divided by original price is how much? 100 into 100%. 100 cancel, which gives us 1.44%. This is the total loss percentage. So where is the answer? Sub number D will be the correct answer. 1.44% is the total loss percentage. So here is our fourth question. A shopkeeper marks the price at 15% higher than its original price. Due to increase in demand, he further increases the price by 10%. The profit earned by the shopkeeper is. So here what it is saying? There is 100% profit. So there is no loss. So there is profit. But we have to understand the question first. A shopkeeper marks the price at 15% higher than its original price. Due to increase in demand, he further increases the price by 10%. That means shopkeeper increases the price 2 times. Now let us solve. A shopkeeper marks the price at 15% higher than its original price. Original price is not given. So let the original price be rupees 100. Now mark price will be 15% higher, 100 plus 15% of original price. So it will give us 100 cancel, 100 plus 15, 100. 15 is the mark price. As due to the increase in demand, he further increases the price by 10%. Now again shopkeeper will increase 10% more. New mark price 115 plus 10% of what? 10% of not original price. Now it will be 115. Zero 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 cancel. 115 divided by 10 will give us 11.5. Now 115 plus 11.5 will give us 126.5 is the new mark price. Now shopkeeper will sell that article in 126.5 rupees. Now what is the profit earned then? What is the profit earned by the shopkeeper? Therefore profit will be new mark price minus original price. New mark price is 126.5 minus 100, which will give us, from 126 if we subtract 100, then it will give us 26.5. This is the total profit earned by the shopkeeper, 26.5. So this is our answer, but answer is given in percentage. So we need to find profit percentage. Let us solve profit percentage. Profit by cost price into 100%. What is profit? 26.5 divided by original price is 100 multiplied by 100%. 100 cancel, which will give us 26.5% is the total profit earned by the shopkeeper. So this is our final answer. 26.5% is the total profit earned by the shopkeeper. So here is our fifth question. If one of the sides of a rectangle is increased by 20% and the other is increased by 5%, then the percent increase in its area. So what is given in the question is, length of a rectangle is increased by 20% and breadth of a rectangle is increased by 5%. Then what is the net percent change or increase in its area? We need to find net percent change in its area. So this question we can solve by using formula. Net percent change in the area of rectangle. So this formula is length plus breadth plus length into breadth divided by 100. Since this is percentage, you write percentage here. So length is increased by 20% and breadth is increased by 5%. What is the net percent change in the area of rectangle? So we can put the value, length is increased by 20% and breadth is increased by 5% plus length into breadth is 20 into 5 divided by 100 percentage. 20 plus 5, 25. 20 into 5, 100 divided by 100. 100 cancel. 25 plus 1 percentage, which gives us 26% is the total net percentage change in the area of a rectangle when length 20% and breadth 5% is increased. So this is the final answer, 26%. Here is our first question. The average age of a family of 6 members is 22 years. 22 years is the average age of 6 family member. If the age of the youngest member be 7 years, age of the youngest family member is 7 years, then what was the average age of the family at the birth of the youngest member? That means we need to find the average age 7 years ago. Okay, let us solve the question now. The average age of a family of 6 members is 22 years. So we can write in short, average of 6 member is 22 years. Then what is the total age? Total age of 6 member will give us 22 into 6, which gives us 6 to the 12, 132. Here is the total age of 6 family member, that is 22 into 6. Now we need to find what is the total age of family, that is 7 years ago. If we need to find total age of family 7 years ago, then we need to subtract 7 years from each family member. So total age of, now it will become 5 members from total age minus from 6 family member, subtract 7 years from each family member, which will give us 132 minus 6 7s are 42. So 132 minus 42 will give us 90 years. Now we need to find what is the average age of the family at the birth of the youngest member. So we have find the total age of 5 member 7 years ago, that is 90 years. Now what is the average average of 5 members, that is 7 years ago, which will give us total age of 5 members is 90, divided by how many family members? 5, which will give us 5, how much 90? 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 5, 8 ja 40, which will give us 18 years. 18 years is the average age of 5 family members. So our correct answer is sub number D. So here is our second question. In a class there are 20 boys whose average age is decreased by 2 months. So in a class there are 20 boys. How many boys were there in class? 20 boys whose average age is decreased by 2 months. Average age is decreased by 2 months when one boy age 18 years is replaced by a new boy. Then the age of a new boy. What is the age of a new boy? We need to find the age of a new boy. And the answer is given 14 year 8 months and sub number be 12 year 6 months. So what is the age of a new boy? We need to find. So let us solve the question now. In a class there are 20 boys whose average age is decreased by 2 months. So average age decreased. Average age decreases 2 months. Average age decrease in 20 boys is 2 months. So we need to convert months into years. So how to convert? 2 divided by 12, as in 1 year we have 12 months. So we can cancel this one. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, which will give us 1 divided by 6. We cannot divide 1 by 6. So let us put point and put here 0. 6 ones are 6. Then subtract, then 4. For point we can put one more 0. 6 6 are 36. Then again minus 4. Again put 0. 6 6 are 36. It will keep on continue like this. So we can take 1 by 6 as 0.16. Bar means 0.16. We can take for 2 digit like this. Now average age decrease in 20 boys is 0.16 year. So what is the total age decrease in 20 boys? That one we need to find. Total age decreased. What is the total age decreased in 20 boys? Which will give us 20 into 0.16 year. So 2 16s are how much? 32. And here is one more 0 in 20, which will give us 320 year. But this is a decimal number. So 2 decimal place, then 2 digit will come back. It will become 3.20 year. So total age decrease in 20 boys is 3.20 year. Now we need to find what is the age of a new boy. We don't know the age of a new boy. So let the age of a new boy be X. We can write age of a new boy is X. Now the question is total age decrease is 3.2 years. Why there is a decrease in age? Because we have replaced 18-year boy with new boy. So why there is a decrease in 3.20 years? Because there is a age difference between 18-year boy and new boy. So we can write this one like this. Age difference is 3.2 years. Now there is a age difference of 3.2 years as because there is a age gap between 18-year boy and new boy. So this one we can write 18-year boy minus age of a new boy is, let's say, X. Now we will find the answer. Minus X equal to 3.2 minus 18, which will give us 18 minus 3.2 will give us 8. Then from 7, if we subtract 3, then we will get 4, then here is 1, which will give us 18 is greater than 3.2, which will give us minus 14.8. So minus minus cancel, which will give us x equal to 14.8 years, which means 14 year 8 months. So we can write 14 years then 8 months. So what is the age of a new boy? That is x equal to 14 years 8 months. So our correct answer is sub. So here is our third question. The ratio of the ages of father and the son at present is 6:1. So present age of father and son is given in ratio that is 6:1. After 5 years, the ratio will become 7:2. After 5 years, the ratio of father and son will become 7:2. What is the present age of son? We need to find the present age of son. So in this kind of question, we can write, let the common ratio be x between father and son's age. So father's age will become what? 6x, and son's age will become x. That is 6:1 means 6x and x. Now after 5 years, what will be their age, father and son's age? After 5 years. After 5 years, the ratio of father and son will become 7:2. So we can write ratio of father and son after 5 years, 6x. This is the father's age, and son's age is x. After 5 years, their age will become what? Plus 5, and son's age will become plus 5. Why? Because after 5 years, their age will become plus 5. So 6x plus 5 and x plus 5. Ratio of father and son will become 7:2. Now what we can do? We can do cross multiplication. 2 6x plus 5 then equal to 7. Carry this in the right hand side, it will become x plus 5. Now 2 6 ja 12x plus 2 5 ja 10. 7 into x gives us 7x plus 7 into 5 gives us 35. Now there is 12x in the left hand side and there is 7x in the right hand side. So 12x bring in the left hand side will become minus 7x. 35 and carry plus 10 in the right hand side, it will become minus 10. 12x minus 7x gives us 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It will give us 5x. 35 minus 10 will give us 25. Now we can cancel 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So it gives us x equal to 5 years, and x is the present age of son. And what we need to find? The present age of son. S is the present age of, x is the present age of son. So present age of son is 5 years. So our correct answer is sub number A. Present age of son is 5 years. So here is our third question. Same previous question we can solve in another method, that is in short process. The ratio of the ages of the father and the son at present is 6:1. Father and son's present is given in the ratio that is 6:1. After 5 years, the ratio will become 7:2. After 5 years, the ratio of father and son's age will become 7:2. What is the present age of son? We need to find the present age of son. Given in the option is 5 year, 4 year, 6 year and 9 year. So how we will solve this one? In easy method. Father is to son. This is father's present age and son's present age. Father and son's present is given in the ratio 6:1. Now we need to find the present age of son. How we will find the present age of son? If we get this kind of question, then we can see we need to find the present age of son. Now in son's present age, here the ratio is given 1. Now we need to see the option 5, 4, 6, 9. Now we need to find such number which is exactly divisible by present age of son, that is 1. With 1 all the number is divisible, 5, 4, 6, 9. So let us take any number as sub number as 5 years. Let us take 5 years. So how we will get 5? By multiplying with 5. 1 into 5 gives us 5. So to balance the ratio, this side also we need to multiply with, since we have multiplied here in the son's age with 5, which gives us 5 years, this side also we have to multiply by 5 to balance the ratio. 6 5 ja 30. That means let father's present age is 30 and son's present age is 5 years. Now after 5 years the ratio will become 7:2. This is the present age. After 5 years what will be their age? We need to add 5 years in father's age also, son's age also. So plus 5 will give us 35. Plus 5 will give us 10 years. This is the ratio of their age after 5 years, that is 35 and 10. The ratio of the father and son will become 7:2 after 5 years. So let us try to cancel. 5 2 ja 10, 5 7 ja 35. This is father's age, that is 7, and son's age is 2 after 5 years. So the ratio we have got correct. So we have assumed son's present age is 5 years. So this is the correct answer. So sub number A is the correct answer. So here is our fourth question. The sum of the ages of a mother and her daughter is 50 years. Also 5 years ago the mother's age was 7 times the age of the daughter. The present age of the mother is, we need to find the age of the mother, where sum of the ages of a mother and her daughter is given 50 years. Sum of the ages of mother and daughter is 50 years. Mother's age and daughter's age is not given to us. So we can write mother's age as X and daughter's age as Y. And sum of their age will become 50 years. X plus Y, that is mother's age plus daughter's age will become 50 years. So it will become equation number 1. Now 5 years ago the mother's age was 7 times the age of the daughter. 5 years ago, ago means we need to subtract 5 years from mother's age as well as daughter's age. 5 years ago mother's age, what will be the mother's age? Mother is X. So 5 years ago mother's age will become X minus 5 years. Mother's age was 7 times the age of daughter. What is the age of daughter 5 years ago? Y minus 5 years. Now we can make it equal. Mother's age will become 7 times the age of daughter. Mother's age will become 7 times the age of daughter. We can write 7 times the age of daughter. Now we can solve. X minus 5. Now we can multiply this one. 7 into Y, 7Y. Plus into minus, minus. 7 5 ja 35. X equal to 7Y minus 35. Carry this to the right hand side, plus 5. X equal to 7Y. Minus 35 plus 5 will give us minus 30. So now X equal to 7Y minus 30. We can write this as equation number 2. Now we need to find the age of mother. How we will find the age of mother? At first we need to find either value of x or value of y. So x equal to 7y minus 30, this is equation number 2. We can put in the equation number 1. Putting equation number 2 in 1, we get x plus y equal to 50. So in place of x from equation number 2, we can write 7y minus 30. 7y minus 30, and here plus y equal to 50. 7y plus y will give us 8y equal to 50 minus 30. If we carry this side, then it will become 50 plus 30 will give us 80 years. Now 8 and 80 can cancel. 8 ones are 8, 8 tens are 80. So value of y is 10. So y is the age of daughter, which is 10 years. Now we need to find the present age of mother. What will be the present age of mother? Now we can put value of y equal to 10 in equation number 1. So putting y equal to 10 in 1, we get x plus y equal to 50 years. So x plus, in place of y we can write 10 equal to 50 years. So this side we can write x equal to 50, carry plus 10, this side right hand side minus 10. So x equal to 50 minus 10 will give us 40 year. So x, that is the age of, present age of mother, and we need to find the present age of mother. So we have find the present age of mother is 40 years. So sub number C is the final answer. So here is our fifth question. This is from profit and loss. A grocer sells rice at a profit of 10%. That means a grocer is selling rice at a profit of 10% and uses a weight which is 20% less. Then his total percentage gain, that shopkeeper is earning in both the ways, 10% increase in price and uses a weight which is 20% less. Then his total percentage gain. What we need to find? Total percentage gain. That means profit percentage we need to find. What is the formula of profit percentage? That one we have to know. Profit percentage, then profit by CP into 100%. In order to find profit percentage, we also have to find profit, and if there is a profit, selling price will be always greater than cost price. That means we need to find selling price also, cost price also at first. So how we will find? If we get this kind of question, then we can use some shortcut tricks. Selling price divided by cost price. Now come to the question. A grocer sells rice at a profit of 10%. So a grocer sells rice at a profit of 10%. That means, let's say original price was 100. Now that grocer is selling at 10% higher rate, which will be 110. 10% of 100 will give him 110 rupees. Again, uses a weight which is 20% less, which means in place of 100 gram, a grocer is giving only 20% less, which is 80 gram. Now in both the cases, a grocer is earning benefit. So in this case, we need to write which one is greater. We need to write in the numerator, in the selling price. Selling price will be always greater. So here 110 is greater, 110, then cost price will be 100 into, here 100 is greater. Which one is greater? We need to write up, then less one is 80 gram. Now we can solve. 100 cancel, 0, 0, cancel. Now in numerator we have got 11 and in denominator we have got 8, which is equal to selling price is 11, then cost price will give us 8. Now we can see that selling price is greater than cost price, so obviously there is a profit. Selling price is greater than cost price, so there is what? Profit. So we need to find profit percentage. In order to find profit percentage, we need to know what is the profit. Profit will give us SP minus cost price, which is 11 minus 8 gives us 3 rupees is the profit. Now what is the profit percentage? That means gain percentage. Profit by CP. CP is 8 into 100 percentage. Now 100 and 8 we can cancel. 4 2 ja 8, 4 25 ja 100. Now denominator is 2. 3 into 25 will give us 75. Now the answer is in 37.5, 27.5. Now we have to divide this one. 75 by 2. 2 3 ja 6, 1. Then we can bring 5. 2 7 ja 14, minus remainder is 1. Now further we can divide by putting point. 0. 2 5 ja 10, which gives us 37.5% is the total profit percentage earned by the grocer. So our correct answer is sub number B, 37.5%.